You're in an interview and you're asked to describe yourself. What words would you use? Hi, it's Dora again from Bite Size English, here to give you your daily bite of English. In today's episode, we're looking at some useful business collocations to use when describing yourself and your work history. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest episodes and look out for part 2 of Business Collocations. Follow our Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn pages for language tips, quick refreshers, and quizzes. Let's go. Remember that collocations are words which native speakers naturally pair together. Knowing them is the key to sounding like a native speaker. In this episode, we are interested in learning what verbs go with which nouns. Here are some target language nouns we'd like to use: experience, trust, a strategy. Interviews are all about telling someone your experiences. Your successes should be examples of how you gain different types of experience. We use the verb gain, not earn. You would start by saying, working on my latest project, I gained valuable experience in, and then finish it with what type of experience it was. We want to talk about the trust that our clients and colleagues have with us. What verbs would you use? We could use the verb build. Trust with a client is a wall that you build through many successful interactions. Then there's also the verb gain. By listening to my clients' needs, I gain their trust. We could also use earn here. To earn is to get something that you didn't have before. It takes working on projects as a team. What verb could we use? My job was to a strategy for marketing my company's products. There could be several action verbs that you might think of, but the verb develop is used often. By developing a strategy, we could avoid problems. Quick quiz. Which 3 verbs can we use with trust? Build, gain, and earn. Right or wrong? We earn experience? Wrong. We gain experience. Do we make a strategy? Not quite. It's better if we say we develop a strategy. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss Business Collocations Part 2. Thanks for watching Bite Size English. See you next time.